flawless, boss kid when I talk shit, gonna rock it hard and put it in the fall this. No, this is intro, at the end of my endo, in the elemento. Rip those, sick those, been given a gift of all time, so I'm been ripping it since. In the instant, gotta get it with a pen and a pen. This is as good as it gets, so come on, follow me up, follow my email list. Never drowned up, gonna bounce up, turn the volume of the sound up. Never ever stop, feel round up. Found love, open up your eyes. Got a vision of the ocean and the bluest sky. Who am I? Still metaphysical being. I got a purpose on the earth and I'm living my dream. Like the king of the kings, I rap down, down, down. When I'm doing my thing, I'm gonna grind the rhyme. It's when I'm living in the pride of my spot. So it's been surprise, open up your mind, let it realize this time you know this. I feel alive, 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 alive. And I'm awake, 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 awake. I feel alive, 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 alive. And I'm awake, asleep, awake, asleep, awake, asleep, awake, asleep, awake, asleep, awake, awake. Giving it up for the dubstep, revolting style. Everyone here supporting Ocean Beach, being healthy, being cautious, being true to yourself and soul, mind, body, spirit.